Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel and you've not done that, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. So let's see what market is currently doing on CAD Swiss franc. So we clearly can see that our overall trend on our CAD Swiss franc is literally on a downtrend move. So basically we are very bearish on our CAD Swiss franc. Now let's take a look at what market is currently doing. This is our lower low here. Here is the lower high. Then once we got that lower high, we had our lower low. Then here comes the lower high. This is the lower low. Here comes the lower high. Markets eventually give us our lower low. So our next movement on CAD Swiss franc will be an higher lower high. So we should be expecting that pullback. Once you get the pullback finish, then you can now expect another low. So first, expect that bullish move between Monday, Tuesday. Once it happens, then I'll give you guys an update on what to do next. So just subscribe to stay updated.